Welcome everybody. How you guys doing today? Today's Sunday, and hope everybody doing okay and having fun on the weekend. So, how's everybody's Halloween? Let me know. Um, Without further ado, let's go to a Mastercam 9, and we're gonna try to do a round table. Actually, there's somebody out there that his name is Mike asked me how to do a round table with the cup holder on the table. So I'm gonna use these 40 inches diameter for the round table, and they're gonna make a cup holder on the table. Okay, we're gonna use 4 cup holder, and then we're gonna make 40 inches diameter table. Okay, now let's go to a Mastercam 9 and build that now. Now let's go to our main menu here and go ahead and select F9. We're gonna go over here and click on create. We're gonna use rectangle here, and we're gonna select 1 point. So this one width and height, we're gonna use 40 by 40. And we're gonna select here, okay. And we're gonna put it on center. So we're gonna select on origin here. Click escape, Alt F1, put the screen in the middle. Now we're gonna go back to a main menu. This time we're gonna go to create again and select an arc. Okay, and we're gonna use focal point diameter here. Okay. Now this time we're gonna use 40-inch circle. Okay, we're gonna click on 40-inch circle and click enter. And then we're gonna put on center. Click on origin here and click escape. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay, now we're gonna make another circle right here. Okay, we're gonna make a circle right here. So we're gonna make it 30 inches right here in the center here. Okay, 30 inches. Enter. And we're gonna put in the middle. Okay, it's right there. Now we're gonna put a cup holder on this four corner here. Okay. So to do that, we're gonna make the line. We're gonna use the line, parallel line here. Gonna make sure it's even. Go ahead and click on create. And we're gonna use the line right here and select on parallel. And then we're gonna select on side distance here. And then we're gonna use this line right here, select on it. Then we're gonna go forward right here. And we're gonna make it 3 inches right here. Go ahead and select 3 inches. Okay. And then we're gonna do it from the top to bottom also, and this right side to the left side also. And then from the bottom to the top. Okay. Now we're gonna go back. We're gonna put a circle here for this four corner. Okay. Now this the cup holder, we're gonna make 3 inches cup holder. Okay. So we're gonna click on create and select an arc. We're gonna use focal point diameter here. We're gonna use 3 inches and click enter. And we're gonna put it in the middle right here, okay? Okay. And then you look on the left side here, it said midpoint. So when it said midpoint, so you put in the middle, okay? Go ahead and click on it. Okay, we're gonna put all four corners here. Okay, and highlight in the middle, midpoint here. Go ahead and click on it. And this one right here, the last one. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, and click escape. So that's how you get it. Okay, we got 40-inch diameter table right here. And then we got a 4 cup holder here. Okay. So now on this right here, on this 30-inch circle right here, what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna make a pocket, but we're gonna use slightly pocket. So which means we don't want to do it too deep. Okay, we want it shallow because we want to put some plate on the table. We don't want to slip it away, right? So we want to make right here, 1/4 inch. Okay, 1/4 inch is good enough to hold the plate, so the plate not moving around the table. And other than that, this right here, we're making a pocket, this 4 hole here. Okay, so this gonna go also a 1/4 inch deep also. Okay, now and another thing is you don't have to make a pocket in this round table here. You can just leave it alone, just kind of cut out all around, and then you're just gonna make this right here a pocket so you can put a cup holder, okay? But for me, Mike asked me to do this for him, so that's why I'm gonna cut this as a pocket, okay? And then on this four corner here, you can cut all pocket also. So now let's go to a toolpad and do that now. Now let's go to toolpad here and go ahead and click on pocket. And we're gonna click on change here, okay? And now we're gonna select right here in this middle right here with inside. Go ahead and click on that. Then we're gonna select right here also the circle here, another circle right here, another circle here, and another circle here. Okay, then we're gonna click done. So on this right here, there are two library. Go ahead and get a tool from here. Right click, get a tool from our tool library. Now this time we're gonna use a 1H flat end mill. Okay, so you go and scroll down to the almost to the bottom, which tool number 232, which is a 1H flat end mill. Scroll down a little bit more. See right here, 232 flat end mill right here, 1H. Go ahead and click on that. It's state right here, tool number 1 right here, and tool name 1H and 125 diameter right here. Okay, we're gonna change the feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate. Okay, we're gonna put 5.0 here and retract the rate also. Okay, and then on the right side here, spindle speed, go ahead and change to 4,000. And then the coolant, go ahead and turn it on. And this section right here, go ahead and put rough pocket. Okay. Then we're gonna go to the top here, pocket parameter. Go ahead and make a check mark right here in clearing 2.0 right here. It's also absolute right here, absolute. Speed plane 0.1 and top of stock, we're gonna put 0.35, which we're gonna run 3/4 inch material. And the depth right here, we're gonna put a negative 0.25. We don't want to go too deep, okay, on that one. I mean, you can do too deep. That's depend on you. I mean, how deep you want to have, okay. But this just for Mike that he asked me to do it. So he wanted 1/4 inches, okay. Now let's go change right here. Tip com right here. Go ahead and put center. And sharp right here, just go and put none, okay. Then we're gonna go to rough finish parameter. You're gonna select one of these, okay. So we'll go ahead and select on choose spiral. You're gonna cut from inside to outside, okay. And right here, say finish pass spacing with 0.01 here, it's already stated on there. And cut a column, we're gonna change that to where, okay, and then go ahead and select okay. That's how it looks right here. Now we're gonna go to a contour here, we're gonna cut this round out, okay. We're gonna cut it out, cut this table out, okay. We're gonna select right here in this middle here, okay. We'll click on change here, we're gonna cut it out. And that's it. So we're gonna go right here, say done. Let's go ahead and click on that. We're gonna go to our tool library again and right click and get tool from our tool library. So this one we're gonna use a 239, which is a 1/2 inch flat end mill, okay. Go and scroll down to tool number 239 until you find it. Right here, 239, 1/2 inch flat end mill. Go ahead and select that and select OK. It's state right here, tool number 2, tool name, 1/2 inch flat, and tool diameter is 1/2 inch. Feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate. We go ahead and put 7.0 here. Okay. On this right here, this section right here, go ahead and select, put on finish path. Okay. On the right side right here, go ahead and change the spindle speed to 2000. Okay. And the coolant, go ahead and turn it on. Okay. And then on the top right here, go ahead and select contour parameter. Make sure everything is right. Check mark right here. And then the depth right here, we're gonna put negative 0.75. We want to cut all the way through. That's why. Okay. And right here, comb direction, we put on the left side. And tip comb, we're gonna put it in the center here. Okay. So that looks good. And then on this right here, it's a composition type. We want to put where. Okay. Use where. And then we're gonna select OK here. Okay. Now we're gonna go to our operation. We're gonna select all here and verify. Okay. And we're gonna come down this way and we're gonna select start button. Okay, that's how it looks. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to the channel. And you know somebody want to learn, please share and like the video. And That's all I have for you guys today. And do this round table for you to see. And if you guys like it, or have anything to say, please leave in a comment. Okay. Now look at this part right here that we're making 1/8 inch flat end mill. We're using that to cut this pocket here. There's a 1/4 inch deep. Okay, so that's how it look. Okay, we have this 4 cup holder here, right? Now this part right here, like you see right here, you can make this deeper or or shallow. Okay, depending on you guys how you guys want it. Okay, and now this is a 3 inch cup holder here, and it's a 1/4 inch deep. Okay. And let's go to a setup. We want to see a different angle. So you can go to setup right here, job setup. Okay. Click on job setup right here. We're gonna put 40 by 40 here. Okay. Then we're gonna Z right here. We're just gonna put 5 inches here. I can put 10 inches. Put 10 inches on there, and then you can select on display start and select OK here. Okay, and then you're gonna select on isometric here. See how to put the screen, and then unzoom a little bit here. That's how it looked right there. Okay. That's how it look. And you want to just kind of rotate, go ahead and right click on that. Okay, and then you can select on dynamic spin and select this part again, and then you can move it around like that. Okay, you want to see a different angle or direction like that. Okay, now that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, please go ahead and share this video a like. And somebody that want to learn, please let them know and subscribe to my channel. And without everything else, leave me in a comment. And other than that, I see you next time, and you guys have a great night. Bye bye.